GOOACC 19 PCS Trim Removal Tool Set and Clip Plier Upholstery Remover Nylon Car Panel Removal Set with Portable Storage Bag. Various usage. There are 19 PCS different kinds of door panel removal tools excellent for automotive, marine, furniture, or aircraft trim removal and installation, including door panels, moldings, window trims, clips, fasteners, emblems, panels, radios, etc. Protect your car. Our car tools is made of impact-resistant nylon material. It will not scratch or damage the car paint in the whole modification process. Ergonomic design. This auto tool kit adopts ergonomic design with super lightweight and easy handheld features which effectively effort-saving for various interior and exterior car trimming. Easy storage. Come with portable zipper store pouch to store all of your tools after use. You won't worry about to lose them. Package include 11 PCS interior trim disassemble tools, 2 PCS release tools, 2 PCS stereo removal tools, 3 PCS car terminal removal tools, 1 PC trim clip removal pliers, and a portable storage bag. Click the link in the description to get this product.